Welcome back to EduTube. In our last explainer, we explored the incredible power of Web3 communities. But that raises a big question. How do you actually fuel that community engine? Well, today we're diving into the answer. Token incentives and airdrops, the tools that are completely rewriting the rules of marketing.
I mean, really think about that for a second. Imagine if Instagram or TikTok actually paid you for helping their platforms grow. That sounds kind of crazy, right? But that simple idea is at the heart of this whole thing. It's a revolutionary shift where users, like you and me, go from being the product to being partners.
So here's our game plan for today. We'll start with the new rules of growth, then we'll break down what token incentives actually are. After that, we'll explore why they're such an amazing marketing tool, look at some real-world airdrops in action, and finish up with a super important word of caution.
Okay, let's dive right in. To really get a handle on token incentives, you first have to understand this massive shift in thinking. We're moving away from the old way of building things and into a whole new world.
Check this out. On the left, you've got the world most of us are used to, Web 2. That's where big companies basically make money off our data and attention. We are the product. But Web 3 on the right, it flips that completely on its head. Instead of taking value from you, projects share value with you by giving out tokens. This turns users into owners. And when you're an owner, you're on the same team, all working together.
So you're probably asking, okay, how does this sharing value thing actually happen? Well, it all comes down to the token. Let's break down exactly what these rewards are. At its core, a token incentive is just a reward system. It's a digital asset that a project gives you for doing specific things that help it grow, like trying out a new feature, sharing it on social media, or just being an active member of the community.
Yeah, a really great way to think about it is like you're playing a video game. The more you contribute and help out, the more points you earn. The huge difference here, though, is that these points, these tokens, often have real, tangible value.
And one of the most popular ways projects hand out these rewards is through something called an airdrop. This is where they literally just drop free tokens right into the crypto wallets of their most loyal and active users. It's an awesome way to say thanks.
Exactly. It really is like getting a surprise gift. An airdrop isn't just a gimmick. It's a powerful way for a project to show its early supporters that they're valued. It builds a ton of goodwill right from the start. All right, let's get into the why. Why is giving away something valuable one of the most powerful marketing strategies out there? It might sound a little backward, but there's some real magic to it.
It really comes down to this. When people have a real stake in something, they care so much more. They go from just being passive users to being active advocates. They become your biggest cheerleaders. They post about it, they make videos, they tell their friends, and that creates this amazing viral loop where the community itself is what drives the growth.
Now, that all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work in the real world? You bet it does. Let's take a look at how some of the biggest names in Web3 have used this exact playbook to get huge.
This is a really important question. Airdrops aren't just a random lottery. The smartest projects are super strategic. They use data to find and reward the people who are creating the most value for them.
Optimism is a perfect example. They didn't just give tokens to everybody. Nope, they looked for specific behavior. Were you an early adopter? Did you use the network often? Did you vote on proposals? They found their ideal community members and rewarded them. It was brilliant. And the result? Take a look at this chart. It shows how many users actually stuck around on Optimism. You can clearly see how these incentive programs help them build a really loyal, long-term user base. It's proof that if you reward good behavior, you get more of it. And Optimism is definitely not alone here. This is a battle-tested model. The Uniswap airdrop is legendary. It kickstarted one of the biggest communities in crypto. Arbitrum used a similar playbook to fuel its massive growth. Even NFT projects like Pudgy Penguins use token drops to create incredible brand loyalty. The list just goes on and on.
Okay, with all this talk of free tokens, it's really easy to get excited, but before you go hunting for the next big airdrop, we have to talk about staying safe. This part is non-negotiable.
Because this strategy is so popular, you've got to be aware that scammers use it as bait all the time. They'll create fake websites or send you direct messages that look totally legit, all in an attempt to trick you into connecting your wallet so they can drain your funds.
So here are the rules to live by. 1. Only use official links from a project's real Twitter or Discord. 2, and this is the most important one, never, ever share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. No real project will ever ask for it. 3, be super suspicious of random offers. And 4, if something seems way too good to be true, it almost always is. Stay safe out there.
And there you have it. That's our look at one of the most powerful tools in the Web3 marketing kit. Now you know how projects use token incentives and airdrops to turn everyday users into their most passionate promoters.
Understanding this is absolutely key to understanding the future of marketing. If you want to keep going on this journey, be sure to subscribe to EduTube so you don't miss a thing.
Before you go, I've got a question for you. What's one project you think has done a fantastic job with airdrops? Let me know in the comments below. We might even feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching.
EduTube, where blockchain becomes easy to understand.